And the hands float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it into the heart, and then send it down through the body towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather, breathing out, directing down. And as always, take as many breaths as you need. One more time, sink the chi. And then from here, step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. The arms get heavy, floating down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the door, starting the journey. Like you're riding on a wave in the ocean. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline, pressing up overhead, floating out and down. Holding up the sky. Breathing in as you rise up. Breathing out, floating down. Really feeling all the sensations that you can. Bringing mindfulness to the body. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. And then this time, if you want, you can do a side bend, always easing in, never forcing it. And then once more to the other side, connecting sky and earth. The bottom hand comes up, and then push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner. The dragon spreads its wings. Nice and easy, gentle rotation. Breathing. One more time. This time the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail, sending little waves out into the distance. One more time, drift across. This time the hands come together in prayer position. They float right across the eye level, then across the heart, and then lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back out for another round, drifting across, up high, and then medium, and then down low. And then release, round out as if you're hugging a big tree, bring it right to the center. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down, the fingertips point up. Very gently rotate to one side. One hand spirals forward, the other spirals behind. Other side, the tiger claw. So making the tiger claws with the hands. Fingertips point up, spiral forward, spiraling behind. One more time, the tiger claw. This time, the hands keep going all the way up overhead. They spiral out and away from each other, and then down. Silk railing, upward spirals. Coming up, spiraling the energy, coming down. Increasing the blood flow as well. Rising up. Breathing. One more time, the upward spirals. And then we'll reverse direction. The arms float all the way up and over. The fingertips point down. The hands spiral out and away from each other. The downward spirals. Breathing in. Breathing out. Just coming up as much as you can comfortably, spiraling the energy out. One more time, silk railing, downward spirals. And then circle in front, hug the tree. Both arms drift over to the side. Once again, a nice gentle sway, side to side. Nice and easy, nice and slow. And then shift all your weight over to one side. This time tap the toes right out in front. Bring them back in. Other side, tap the toes or the ball of the foot. This time, tap the toes, the opposite hand dips down into the sea, hinging from the hips, keeping the spine nice and long. Coming back up, other side, the needle at the sea bottom. Tap the toes, opposite hand goes down into the sea. The other hand by the hip. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the needle at the sea bottom. Then step back in and hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the palms face up, gathering the seeds. And then the hands come all the way in front, down as you soften the hips and the knees as we plant the seeds in the earth. Coming back up, gathering some more seeds, and then planting them into the earth. Softening down. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, planting seeds. And then circle all the way around and hug the tree. Step the foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the palms face each other. They meet right in front of the heart. As you breathe in, the hands open, scooping out to the sides. As you breathe out, they come back to meet each other in front of the heart. Breathing in, open. Breathing out. The heart opening breath. Clearing out old stuck energy, making room for the new. Breathing in. Breathing out one more time. The heart opening breath. And the hands drop down and circle all the way around. Hug the tree. From here, the arms open. The hands float down, the palms face up, the hands come forward as the hips go back. Then the palms face away from each other. They open as you rise up, scooping under, back out in front, softening the hips and the knees. Two hands offering. Offering love and compassion, offering presence, offering forgiveness, and anything else you'd like to see in the world. The hands come forward, the hips go back, palms face away. They open one more time, two hands offering. And then circle around, hug the tree. Right out in front. From here, both arms drift over to the side, floating down. Once again, drifting side to side. Nice and easy, nice and slow. And then from here, making two loose fists. One fist goes overhead, the other by the waist. And then switching sides. Two loose fists, one overhead, the other by the waist. All right, this time you can lift one leg if you like, touching down as needed. Other side, either lifting the leg or touching down. The tiger hugs its head. And as always, it's okay to wobble. Breathing in, breathing out. The tiger hugs its head. All right, one more time. Very nice. And then from here, the arms float down by the sides, circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the hands meet each other in front of the heart, once again, softening down. And then from here, the fingertips guide the way out to the side. They scoop around, going out to the other. The dragon pierces through. Just going side to side at first. Breathing. Shifting the weight. And then if you want, you can go a little bit higher. Working your way up just as much as you can comfortably. And then maybe going lower, so dipping down. And then really just listening to your body. Just letting your body and the energy guide the way. Spontaneous dragon. Just letting your body move whichever way feels good for you. All right, one more time. And then circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, and then down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both arms float all the way up and over just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften. Then circle the hands in front, gathering in the energy to transform into loving kindness and self-compassion. And then down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly, bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body, feeling the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes were closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thanks so much for watching. This class is part of our monthly calendar program, so please click the first link in the video description below to get your free monthly clickable calendar where you can get a free class every day or just drop in whenever you can. And I'll see you over there.